Четвертый класс, английский язык, звездный английский. Домашнее задание, урок 6, часть 2, страница 18-19. English Starlight 4, homework, lesson number 6, part number 2, page number 18, 19. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you. You look wonderful today. So do you. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm very glad you like it. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 18. 18. Phonics. Exercise number 1. Read the story and complete the list with the words in bold. Фонетика. Прочитай историю и закончи список выделенными словами. The magic glove. Here comes Aunt's mouse. She sees a glove and she climbs into it and sits there. Jock Frog comes hopping up. He stops and says, "Hello there, who is living in this glove?" "I'm Aunt's mouse." "Who are you?" "Jock Frog." "Let me in." "All right, jump in." Rabbit comes hopping up. He stops and says, "Hello there, who is living in this glove?" "We are Aunt's mouse and Jock Frog." "And who are you?" Rabbit. "Can I come in?" "All right, jump in." Box Fox comes running up. He stops and says, "Hello there, who is living in this glove?" "We are Aunt's mouse, Jock Frog, and Rabbit. "And who are you?" Box Fox. "Is there any room for me?" "All right, jump in." Bear comes walking by. He stops and says, "Hello there, who is living in this glove?" "We are Aunt's mouse, Jock Frog, Rabbit, and Box Fox." "And who are you?" Bear. "And I know you can make a room for me." "All right, get in." So Bear gets in too. Now there are 5 animals in the glove. Suddenly a hunter comes by. He sees the glove move and bang. He fires his gun. The glove bursts, and the 5 friends run away. The answer. Comes glove, gun, run. Jog, hopping, stops, box. Is, animal. Am, can, animals, bang. There, here, bear. Who, room, move. Climb, right, by. For, all, away. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Make the story longer. think of some more animals to go and live in the magic love. Write your story. Сделай историю длиннее. Подумай про несколько животных, которые придут и будут жить в волшебной перчатке. Напиши свою историю. Big Pig comes grunting. She stops and says, "Hello there. Who is living in the glove?" "We are. House Mouse, Jog Frog, Habit Rabbit, Box Fox, and Hare Bear. And who are you?" "I am Big Pig. I know that you can let me live in your glove. All right, come in." Kitty Witty comes walking by. He stops and says, "Hello there. Who is living in the glove?" "We are. House Mouse, Jog Frog, Habit Rabbit, Box Fox, Hare Bear, and Big Pig. And who are you?" "I'm Kitty Witty. Can you let me in?" "Okay, come in." So Kitty Witty gets in too. Now there are 7 animals in the glove. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 19. Checkpoint. Exercise number 1. Look, read and complete. Посмотри, прочитай и закончи. I love the countryside. Number 1. Fruit and vegetables are good for you. Number 1. The answer. Vegetables. Фрукты и овощи полезны для тебя. Number 2. Tom is very strong. The answer. Number 2. Strong. Том очень сильный. Number 3. We should exercise every day. Number 3. The answer. Exercise. Нам следует тренироваться каждый день. Number 4. We shouldn't eat many sweets. Number 4. The answer. Sweets. Нам не следует кушать много конфет. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read and choose the right word. Прочитай и выбери правильное слово. For example, you must wear a seat belt when you drive a car. Number 1. You mustn't drop litter in the street. Number 1. The answer. Mustn't. Ты не должен мусорить на улице. Number 2. He has to wear a uniform at school. Number 2. The answer. Has to. Он должен носить форму в школе. Number 3. You mustn't eat in class. Number 3. The answer. Mustn't. Ты не должен кушать в классе. Number 4. Does she have to get up early? Number 4. The answer. Have to. Ей нужно вставать рано. Number 5. You must listen to your teacher. Number 5. The answer. Must. Ты должен слушать своего учителя. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Give advice. Дай совет. For example, I've got a toothache. You should go to the dentist. Number 1. I've got a cold. The answer. You should stay in bed. Drink warm tea and drink some cough syrup. Number 2. I've got a headache. The answer. You should take an aspirin. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Read and choose A or B. The cough syrup is on the table. Please give it to Bob. Прочитай и выбери A или B. Number 1. Where's Mom? Can you see her? The answer A. Где мама? Ты видишь ее? The answer A. Number 2. Can you give me the bread, please? Number 2. The answer B. Можешь дать мне хлеба, пожалуйста? Number 3. Look at him. He's very strong. Number 3. The answer A. Посмотри на него. Он очень сильный. Now I can talk about the country code. Talk about illnesses, health problems. Give advice. Talk and write about how to stay fit and healthy in English. The answer. Говорить и писать про то, как оставаться стройным и здоровым. Talk and write how to stay fit and healthy. People say that the greatest wealth is health. And it's so true. The healthier we are, the better we feel. The better we feel, the longer we live. Keeping fit and going in for sports is also important for our health. We shouldn't really watch too much TV. It is not good for us. We should play outside and go for walks. We should exercise every day. These simple rules help to stay fit and healthy. Getting enough sleep from 8 to 10 hours daily are also great healthy habits. I believe that it's not difficult to follow these simple rules. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.